It's the individual stories out in the Carolinas, right, of small towns and just the amount of
Mhm,
people willing to go in and support and clean up and start the rebuild and go forward. And that
mhm.
part is um, that part of the country that would never expect to get that much water ever. That is
Right.
truly a once in a lifetime piece that literally took away people's lives and memories and homes, and you just can't get that much water going down the side of a mountain to not have damage. It's
Right.
insane. And
Yeah.
seeing the pictures and hearing the stories, I follow a lot of NASCAR, and that NASCAR community is just rallied around that
Mhm.
part of the country, whereas everybody else moved on to the Florida side of things, and there's
Yeah.
still a lot more work to do, but there's also a lot of people headed that direction to support before winter shows
Mhm.
up and it gets cold, and let's make sure that fireplaces are working, that electricity's back in place,
Right.
and get the generators there. Generac,
Mhm.
Kohler, Briggs and Stratton, Honda, whomever. Right? How do we
Yep.
get people there to live life and move forward and not have the holiday season? Let the